I am Devlyn Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, here with a look at some of what's been making news in the economy this week. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. The Federal Reserve held its highly anticipated Federal Open Market Committee meeting this week to decide the immediate future of the nation's monetary policy. In a move that surprised basically no one, the FOMC raised the federal funds rate by another 25 basis points on Wednesday. The target range is now 5 to 5.25%, the highest level since August 2007. The bigger news from the Fed's meeting was the subtle indication in the policy statement that rate increases may in fact be at an end. Specifically, this latest statement does not contain the sentence that, quote, the committee anticipates that some additional policy firming may be appropriate, unquote. That sentence was part of the March policy statement and encouraged speculation that rate hikes would continue. In other news, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen announced on Monday the X-date now could arrive as soon as June 1st. X-date is the day the government could begin defaulting on its obligation if there's no increase in the debt ceiling. The June 1st projection is considerably sooner than the timeline projected in earlier forecasts. Finally, despite assurances the banking crisis is contained, another round of turbulence has been shaking up the financial system this week. On Monday, First Republic Bank became the new number 2, the second largest bank failure in U.S. history. That dubious distinction had belonged to Silicon Valley Bank since its collapse in March. In separate statements, J.P. Morgan's CEO Jamie Dimon, whose company acquired First Republic's assets, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell said earlier this week the wave of failures had passed. But turmoil has continued to plague regional banks. Yet another distressed financial institution, California-based PacWest Bancorp, confirmed on Wednesday it's exploring so-called strategic options, including outright sale. That's it for now. We'll see you next week. This is Devlyn Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.